another video, and Merry Christmas everybody. The time has finally come, and one of my presents this year was the Elton John Barbie doll, so let's unbox it together. So before we get to unboxing this beauty, don't forget to subscribe and click the grey bell down below so that you get notified every time I post. And also, if you do like this video and this unboxing, don't forget to like the video. But yeah, that's it for now. Let's get on with the unboxing. So this is what the doll looks like in the packaging. As you can see, like there is like a backboard to it. Like there, it has the E on the top and it has like stars going all around the back. And there's like an audience in the background. And on the bottom it says Elton John in, I think that might be like some holographic silver. And then it says Barbie Signature, because this is a Barbie Signature doll. On this side it also has like stars that have been, like they're coming out so you can feel them. And then on the other side it just says Elton John and a bunch of E's with some stars. Then the back looks like this. There's stars and E's going around, and then it says Barbie Elton John and there's a picture of him. So yeah, now let's finally get her out of the box. So this is the doll out of the box. If you actually look behind the box, there is a certificate of authenticity. We love that pronunciation right there. This is a Barbie Signature gold label doll, so this is like actually my first signature doll, so I'm very happy. Now that she is out of the box, let's take a closer look. Off. Her hair is like a very like light blonde, and it has like some very poofy curls. They are very extra and I love them, and it is styled in a ponytail. And in the packaging at the front it kind of looks like she has like two giant poof balls, which is kind of awesome. She also comes with this purple hat, and there are a couple stays inside, but once you remove them it is fully removable. And same with the glasses, there were a couple stays inside of her head, but you can just cut them off. So these are the glasses. They are this pink colour, and they have like these glittery stars, and there's glitter all around the outside. And they are definitely very oversized for the Barbie, but you know, that's Elton John's style with the overdramatic glasses. It also comes with this little purple hat. It has a trim. It has a purple trim going around. It has the letter E on it in gold, and there's a little star, and it's all glittery, and yeah, it's a light lavender purple. So now let's take a closer look at her face. So for the face, she has blonde brows, and she also has this dark blue eyeshadow with like a touch of pink in there, which I think is super nice. And then she also has these like pinky natural lips, which is super pretty. So now it's time to take a look at the outfit. Starting off with her jacket, it is purple and blue, and it says Elton across the front in pink and silver writing with a black outline. There's also a bit of white in there. There's a lot of colours going on. And she also wears this, like, it has a blue sleeve with a trim going down the side. It's almost like a unicorn skin type of trim. And then she has these like rainbow cuffs, and also this rainbow is at the bottom and like the collar of the jacket. Then finally with the jacket, it does also, I think, zip up. Wait, just yes, it does. It zips up and down, which is like pretty awesome. So I absolutely love that little detail. Then underneath this jacket, let's just undo it if we can. There we go. She wears this like silvery holographic, I think. I mean, a little bit. It's a very, it definitely shows up on camera with my ring light, but it is this top, and it is detachable from the jacket. The jacket is detachable, and it's this like silvery top, and I think it just goes down to like right underneath the trouser line there, and it has no sleeves. It's pretty simple, but it's a pretty nice little underlayer to her adorable jacket. So moving down to the trousers, they are these bell bottoms, and they say E and J standing for Elton John, and they are super cool. They have like little bits of like glitter, I think, like sewn into them, and it has like a button, and at the top it has like a proper waistband, and down the side it has that same sort of unicorn trim that it has on the side of the jacket. They do also velcro in the back, and I think that this top does. Yeah, the silvery top does velcro in the back as well. Now these are her shoes. They are these purple boots, and they have these ginormous rainbow platforms on them, which is super awesome. I absolutely literally love these. They are absolutely amazing, and it is the same on both shoes with the rainbow platforms. So let's take a look at the articulation of the doll. So she has movement at the head, at the shoulders, at the elbow, the wrist. She doesn't have any movement at the upper chest. She does have movement at the hip and also at the knee, yes, but there is no ankle joint. For a better representation of the articulation, if you guys are wondering, I do have my Aurora doll, and she has the same articulation and body type as Aurora. That is pretty much it for this Elton John doll. I think she is absolutely amazing. Now the price of this doll that I got her at was, I think, $64.99, so £65. And it is really expensive, but I definitely think it was worth it because I am kind of a big fan of Elton John. I watched the movie and I freaked out. I absolutely loved him. I don't know, something just clicked and I really enjoy his music, and I saw the doll and I was like, girl, we gotta get this. For her price, I think she is very good. I think it would have been nice maybe if they could include like a mini microphone stand or something like that. I think that would have been really cool, but this is also a great doll with or without that, and I really love all the little details, especially with the jacket and the trousers and like the shoes. I think it all comes together really nicely, and girl, this hair is just everything. But yeah, that is it for today's unboxing. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up. Comment down below if there are any features that you would like to see on the Elton John doll, or if you would buy it. So yeah, that is it for this video, and I will see you all another time. Bye!